funding poverty, malnutrition, deprivation. 41 years after the Green Revolution, even as India emerges as one of the fastest growing economies chasing a 10% growth rate, shockingly and shamefully, India's poor are still dying of starvation.
यहाँ पर कोई साधन नहीं है, न ट्यूबवेल है, सूखा है, तो इसलिए परेशान है और हो सकता है कि फांसी लगा करके आदमी मरने लगेगा। जब भूख से पीड़ित हो जाएगा तो गोरू तो मर रहे हैं, आदमी भी मरेगा।
जिंदाबाद 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 इंकलाब जिंदाबाद।
At a time when India is battling naxalism, a law and order problem with socio-economic dimensions, a report on poverty by Justice V.P. Wadhwa has stumped the UPA government, which has been accused of living in denial. The Wadhwa report has added over 500 million people to the ranks of poor and demanded about 82,100 crore above the 118,535 crore rupees that the government hopes to spend fighting poverty in 2010-11. According to the report, there are at least 20 crore families in India living below poverty line. This has left the government red-faced as it is double the government's own estimates of 10.5 crore.
छोटे बच्चे एक टाइम खाना मिलता है, एक टाइम खाना भी नहीं मिलता है। बच्चे सुबह टाइम भूखे पड़े रहते हैं, शाम के टाइम गुब्बारे बेच के जब खाना बनाते हैं।
Did you know that as per estimates, there are over 400 million people in India that are living on less than 46 rupees per day? And the next time you waste food, you might want to consider this. 30% of babies in India are born underweight. 320 million Indians go to bed without food every night. Half of India's children are malnourished. India ranks 66 out of 88 countries in the Global Hunger Index. India is home to a quarter of the world's hungry. Even the Planning Commission has acknowledged the fallout of poverty and deprivation. Add to this starvation and land alienation, and these are the reasons that fester the growth of left-wing extremisms in India. The numbers on India's poor are staggering. Funding through the state policies are slipping through the cracks. The implementation of schemes has been shoddy. The need of the hour is to act fast and decisively. Is the government listening? Bureau Report, News X.